PPC lead generation. Let's say I want to scale out my pay-per-click campaign, my Google ads or Bing ads campaign. What are some things that I should be looking at?
Yeah, so PPC lead generation is absolutely key, in my opinion, to get instant growth. Where a lot of people try to do it with organic SEO, it can be very slow in getting the rankings. You need to do content and topical authority and all the rest of it. With PPC, the minute you turn that campaign on, you can be generating more leads. And like you say there, if you've got an existing pay-per-click account, hiring a professional PPC agency, I cannot go into detail enough into saying how important that is. So I've tried it many, many times where I've tried to get people in to do my negative keyword list, to be blocking the IPs and all the rest of it. And it is literally a full-time job. You need to have someone sat in that account and making certain that all the clicks, the converting, you've got to be good at conversion rate optimization, like of improving like the design of the landing page. To have a specialist PPC agency run that account is key. But the minute you get a good campaign being run, it is a license to print money. It's tough to get it right, but once you get it right, PPC lead generation can be infinite scale as long as there's search volume for it.
Yeah, so what about like audits and stuff like that? Let's say, for example, if I'm currently maybe running a PPC campaign, this is something that we see quite often where companies have kind of done like a set and forget. So they might have watched a couple YouTube videos, or they might have spoke to like the Google Ads team themselves, been given a couple recommendations. Would you then recommend for that person to come to somebody like yourself and do like an audit? What's the next step?
Absolutely, yeah. So the audits, the PPC audits are completely for free. So that's the first thing. So someone can come back to you, give an audit, and then you can go, thank you very much for that, but I'm not going to use you. I'm going to carry on with my existing agency, which is absolutely fine. But the truth of the matter is, if someone does an audit and they tell you 20 things that you're doing wrong, and you can clearly see them 20 things that you're doing wrong, why would you then go back to the existing PPC agency that's been doing it wrong all this time, that's been burning your money and not been doing it correctly? Now, the truth of the matter is, I myself can't run it. Like, I've got a team of people that can run PPC, right? And for me, you need to live and breathe it every single day and understand what you need to look for. Now, I know the common problems and I can explain the common problems, and a lot of it comes down to the quality score. People run a PPC campaign and they run it all to the homepage of the website, and there's no intent match from the keyword to the title tag, and it means that the conversion rate's going to drop down, but the quality score and everything else, the CTR is not going to be as good. So that all affects the quality score. Where if you can increase that quality score, and if you're bidding on keywords and you line up the relevance on the page, the CTR is better, the conversion when they go through onto that page is better. And also speaking to the customers and seeing what makes you the most money. So you're not targeting top of the funnel informational based keywords. You're getting those bottom of the funnel keywords, which is turning into orders pretty much instantly. And this is what the best PPC agencies will be doing for lead generation. They live and breathe it every single day. And like I said, once you get it right, and it's very difficult to get right. I'm not saying it's an easy task, it's not. But these PPC audits can, honestly, if you get the difference between an average PPC person and a great PPC person can be the difference between a winning campaign and a losing campaign, and being able to scale it.
Yeah. So if you do want a PPC campaign audited, maybe you're running PPC and you're not sure exactly what you're doing, head over to fatrank.com, fill in the contact form, and the team will be in touch. We'll do a light audit on your PPC. Maybe everything's 100% right, but a lot of the times there are always improvements to be made. So head over to fatrank.com, fill in the contact form, and we'll be in touch. Thanks for watching.